how to post YouTube videos on Instagram. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to go to our YouTube app right here and search for something that you want to post on your Instagram. Let's say Selena Gomez. Now, the next thing to do is to tap on the three dots right here and click on share. Now, all we have to do is to tap on copy link right here and go back to Instagram. Once we're on Instagram, we just have to tap on your story right here and click on camera. You can also go to your camera roll and pick a picture. It doesn't really matter. So hit the shutter button right here and click on stickers. Once we're on stickers, we just have to find link right here and paste the link that we have copied on YouTube. Once we're done, you just have to hit right here and you can customize the link that we have right here. Once we're done, we just have to hit this button right here and share this to our story. And now we're done. So that's how to post YouTube videos on Instagram.